The insulating glass sealing machine is an automated machine that specializes in controlling, dripping, and coating such as adhesives on the surface of the product. It sends the paint into the hose through compressed air and then drips or coats the paint according to a preset path through program control. If there are any illegal operations or the actual operation of the machine and equipment does not follow the regulations, the service life of the insulating glass sealing machine will be greatly reduced, so the later repair and maintenance of the insulating glass sealing machine is also crucial. Hi, this is Hardcore Glass Knowledge Popularization Channel. Follow me, let you know different glass knowledge. 1. The maintenance part is generally the maintenance of the brushes, sponge tubes, and rotating bearings in the cleaning chamber. Since the lower end of the cleaning chamber is often wetted by water, special attention should be paid to the use of the lower bearings. The sponge tube must be completely soaked during use. Do the work again later, otherwise it is very easy to cause damage to the glass and sponge tube. 2. The fully automatic plate pressing section behind the production line is generally where the solenoid valve and cylinder are installed. Regular maintenance and upkeep should be paid attention to ensure the lubrication effect. 3. The phenomenon of fogging inside the glass during the production process of insulating glass is caused by the unstable or substandard quality of the secondary sealant, which evaporates into the inside of the insulating glass under sunlight and causes fogging, or the desiccant is of poor quality. Low molecular substances are released under sunlight and cause condensation. 4. During the insulating glass production process, you must pay attention to details, including the use and maintenance of insulating glass machine and the selection of insulating glass materials. 5. Butyl sealant coating machine is a necessary machine in insulating glass machine. Its main function is to apply butyl sealant to aluminum spacers. It is also a frequently used machine. How to solve the problem when butyl rubber has burrs and is not smooth? If it is new machine, you should first observe whether the sealant outlet hole is smooth. If the sealant outlet hole is rough, you should polish it before trying the machine. For old machines, the temperature sensor of the machine is sometimes insensitive, and the displayed temperature does not match the actual temperature. In this case, the temperature needs to be raised until the sealant comes out normally. When butyl sealant does not stick to aluminum spacer and glass, it is due to the influence of temperature. It is recommended to raise the temperature until it is appropriate. Daily care and maintenance strategies for insulating glass machine are things that need to be paid attention to at all times. Once an abnormality is found in the insulating glass machine, it should be repaired immediately to ensure that the insulating glass can operate well and to ensure the production efficiency of the insulating glass. Okay, the above is the entire content of this video. If you are interested in my video, I hope I can get your likes and subscriptions. Here is Shandong Yuhang insulating glass line. The next video will show you some other different types of glass.